An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Instead of cursing the darkness, light a candle. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Whatever is begun in anger, ends in shame. When you're testing to see how deep water is, never use 2 feet. A slip of the foot you may soon recover, but a slip of the tongue you may never get over. Happiness depends more on the inward disposition of mind than on outward circumstances. Who is wise? He that learns from everyone. Who is powerful? He that governs his passions. Who is rich? He that is content. Who is that? Nobody. We do not stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. While we may not be able to control all that happens to us, we can control what happens inside us. Speak ill of no man, but speak all the good you know of everybody. Contentment makes poor men rich. Discontent makes rich men poor. The best thing to give to your enemy is forgiveness, to an opponent, tolerance, to a friend, your heart, to your child, a good example, to a father, deference, to your mother, conduct that will make her proud of you, to yourself, respect, to all others, charity. Beware of little expenses, a small leak will sink a great ship. He who can have patience can have what he will. You will find the key to success under the alarm clock. There are 3 things extremely hard: steal, a diamond, and to know oneself. Happiness consists more in the small conveniences of pleasures that occur every day, than in great pieces of good fortune that happen but seldom to a man in the course of his life. Speak little, do much.